Hello everybody, welcome back to Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume during a call using the side buttons right here. So as you guys can see, you need to be in a call in order to change it, because whenever we go into the settings and then go to sounds and vibration and volume, we won't have an option to change the call volume right here. It's just not available for Samsung devices at the moment. So make sure to be in a call and then change the volume, try to increase it to the max, and after that see if that changes anything. If not, then what you guys can do is go back to the settings and go over to connections right up top. Make sure that Bluetooth is disabled to rule out any connected devices such as another phone, car, headphones, or anything else. So here, make sure to disable the Bluetooth, and after you disable it, what you guys can do is clean the earpiece right here with a soft brush. So if you got a soft brush, then try and clean it out a bit fast like this, and after that it should be all good. So you guys can test it with another call to somebody or a different app, different than the phone app. So here, as you guys can see, we can enter the number, and then we can simply call it and see if that works. If not, then what you guys can do is restart the smartphone. You do that by holding the power button and the volume down button, and then click restart and tap again to restart the device. So now I'll see you guys once it's enabled. So now, after the restart, if there's still some issues with your sound, then I recommend visiting the service center for a phone checkup so you guys can get a clean diagnosis on what's wrong with it. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.